Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at BUNC Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the final Harry Potter coloured coin and also the BUNC. When I ordered the coloured coin this time round, I got a postcard, a first class stamp of Hermione Granger. Very nice, unexpected, and I'm so glad that I've got it because it is a really nice postcard. Unusual, but there we go. I wonder how many other people got those postcards. Right, so that's the first part of it. The second part, and most important part as far as we're concerned, or you're concerned, is we have two Harry Potter coins to do with the Hogwarts School. We have the blue card with all the one from Westminster / Change Checker. It's exactly the same coin. It's a Cooper nickel, has Charles III's portrait on, and of course the hologram with the 25 and the lightning strike. I'll just put that away and we'll concentrate on the colour one because that's the one that gives the most detail. As you look into it, the first thing, let's just open it up a bit further. Whoops, the other way, Steve. There we go. Now please feel free to pause the video and read any of this text that you want to. The first part is the 25 years of magic, which is what this series of coins has depicted. The 25 years since the release of the first book. The second part is the Castle of Turrets and Towers, and that's talking about Hogwarts School itself. The final part on the inside of the coins is Hogwart School of Wizardry, of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And then if we look on the inside leaf, one of the inside leaves, about the illustrator and about the author, so it gives you a bit about J.K. Rowling. And then the one that's on the inside as you open up the coin is Draco Dorman's Nunquam Tiflandus Never Tickle a Sleeping Dragon. Apparently that is the Hogwarts School motto. I'm not that into Harry Potter that I would have known that sort of thing. Then on the back sleeve, on the back gate part of the gateway, we have Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And then we had the coin specs themselves. So that's a brief round of what's actually in the coloured pamphlet stuff about Hogwarts School and this particular coin. Now let's take a look at the actual coin itself. So let's zoom in. Bit too far. There we go. On this side we have the second one of the Hogwarts School, which has the portrait of King Charles III. You also have the date of 2023. So the important part, as far as we're concerned, is having a look at the actual coloured coin itself. This one's a partial coloured coin, which is always by far the best way of seeing coloured coins. They pick out the highlights rather than the whole coin being coloured. It didn't work for me for the last snowman coin of 2022's Christmas snowman coin. It looked like a sticker being put on the coin rather than it being a coloured print on the coin. It shows Hogwarts School in profile. You've got the, I've been calling it a hologram. There is a particular name beginning with L and I can't remember it. That shows the 25 and also the Harry Potter scar of the lightning strike. On the top there it's got Hogwarts. And just Hogwarts, it doesn't say Hogwarts School, just says Hogwarts. The coin itself is just a portrait view, which is very similar to this one here. If you take a look at this one here, if we just go back out just a little bit, the other way, Steve. If we go out a little bit, this particular area of the coin is what is seen here on this coin here. Now we've got to zoom back in again. Oop, wrong way. Let's see if we can get. Nope, other way. Come on. There we go. So we have the Hogwarts School as it's been depicted in the big picture there. There are some other actually stars in the background here. I think this is a good use of colour on this particular coin, as I say, compared to the snowman. And the snowman last year was full colour across the whole coin, and it looks as if somebody put a sticker on it. No, one of these coloured decals you can get. It wasn't, I would have thought. It probably wasn't, but it gave that look, and it really detracted away from the coin, whereas this has the right amount of colour. It picks out the most important part of the coin, the design of the coin, so therefore it works for me brilliantly. I would say this is probably, of the series of 4, I think I'll probably put this one second, equal with the train. I think the Dumbledore was probably the best one for me personally, and the Harry Potter one, I think it's probably the fact that I've seen Daniel Radcliffe in the roles for so long. The cartoonized version or the line drawn version just didn't cut it for me. But that's just a personal choice. The all 4 coins are brilliant. I do hope very much that the Royal Mint get together with whoever's running the Harry Potter franchise, and J.K. Rowling or whoever else it is that's in charge of the day-to-day running of Harry Potter, the Harry Potter franchise, as I said, and they get together and they discuss perhaps second and third year coins. Perhaps we could have a set of villains, we could have a set of other characters apart from Harry, we could have the monsters. There's all sorts, there's very great depth, and I think that this set is probably more important for the younger collectors, and possibly some of the older collectors who are great Harry Potter fans out there, than the Beatrix Potter or the Winnie the Pooh range were, because they're very much, those coins were from an era that was before I was born, and I'm 62 years old. And they were written before I was born, so they have little or no relevance to younger people. And I think it would be a shame if you gave something like Beatrix Potter 3 years and several other Peter Rabbits besides, if you didn't give the Harry Potter the same sort of chances. And if they went into circulation, they would be absolutely horrendous. People would be queuing up for them if the 50p's went into circulations. So, I've had my say now. Tell me what you think below. Do you think they deserve a second or third series? Do you think that the Mint and whoever's in charge of the Harry Potter franchise have already got together and have discussed this already? I do hope so. I do hope we get a positive outcome. So, for those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are having if you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins for what you want to pay. Last and by no means least is I am trying this year to get my subscription level up a bit. I am aiming for 250, but will be happy with just over 200. I currently am at around about just under 160. So I need a bit of a push. So if you're one of the 50% or so that's have viewed my channel on a regular basis but haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? If you believe I deserve that opportunity of your subscription, I would be extremely happy and grateful to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes. I also do collectibles and militaria as well. Having said that, thank you very much for watching, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye, ta-da now.